Alright, welcome back, boys. As you can see, I have some RAM that has been delitted. Not only do I delid Intel CPUs, I can delid RAM kits because I am the RAM Messiah. Jokes aside, these are EK RAM heatsinks meant for water block, but I am not going to be attaching these to a water block. I'm just going to be using them on my B die and just going to have them act as a heatsink. I'm not going to have a fan blowing on them, nothing special. Why did I get them? Mainly because I think they look cool. Not only do they look cool, they run faster because they look cool. That logic 100% applies to sports cars as well. As soon as you add a spoiler on it, as soon as you add RGB to your gaming PC, speed, Sonic, Super Saiyan speed. Anyway, so the EK water blocks, RAM heatsink kit, whatever, these come, well, where I ordered them from, there was no refund, so they had to work. And as you can see, you know, you gotta blast the RAM kit with a hair dryer, bake them, do whatever you want. Then you gotta get alcohol and you gotta get a Q-tip, keep rubbing away, cleaning up all of the adhesive, the disgusting gooiness. And then you can add your thermal pads. I'm just using the ones that the kit came with. I didn't buy any special Fuji Polys or Thermal Grizzly. I really don't know what heatsink, actually what pads those company came from. Maybe they're just EK pads. I have no idea. Like I said, I'm from the future. This video is recorded December 18th. Today is March 13th. That's like almost 4 months, okay? I've had no issues. I think I run the RAM kit at like 1.45 volts. Highest I push is 1.5. They don't have a temperature sensor. I'm not special. I didn't get that. I could add my own little temperature, little node sensor thing. Maybe I'll do it at another time. Actually, I have that little infrared heat gun. I could do that. I could run some IDA64 mem test and I could have the heat gun on it. Genius. Yeah, and if it survives that, I don't need to ever need a temperature sense on the RAM. Honestly, if it crashed, then I would have probably thought about it, but it hasn't crashed. It doesn't matter. Anyway, there you go. You see the pads. It's a tedious process. You have to clean each memory module. If you have dual rank, dual-sided, then it takes longer. If you have single-sided memory, it's easier. And then you just clean it, put the little pad on the memory module, then you have to get your little X-Acto knife or your little, you know, I'm using a box cutter, and you gotta pull that little plastic off, right? And then you can finally attach the actual heatsink, like the RAM module, onto the RAM heatsink onto your RAM module. Yes, it looks really nice. Look at it. Screwed in the 3 screws. Looks really nice. Now, it's basically the same as part 1. I'm just doing the other module. Takes a while. I tried to jump, fast forward. The videos honestly are a lot more bearable, specifically from watching it. I wouldn't say from me editing it. I honestly can go back and watch the videos that I've uploaded now. Like that T1 video that I uploaded months ago, that's like 2 hours long, that I uploaded for a friend who was trying to build his T1. I'm glad it worked out for him, but man, oh man, dude, trying to go through all that is just like, it's, I don't want to say unbearable, but like, it's a lot nicer when it's like 5 minutes and you can just like go through it. I actually really enjoy it. Like, I like my monitor ones and stuff because it's like I can go back and see what I was thinking and what did I feel, like what were my opinions regarding that product at that time. So it's cool. Yeah, I'm not sure how many of you guys are actually gonna do this. I was thinking about not even uploading it, honestly. Nobody honestly cares about the Intel DLID CPU videos either, so maybe it's one of those. But if you do care, you think it's cool, cool. I think it's cool. I'm happy with the end result. I have photos at the end. You can fast forward or jump, whatever you want to do. I did not max overclock the RAM modules before with the stock heatsink versus this, so cannot give you that comparison. I was also doing it on a B550 with a 5950X, and yeah, you can't really you know, bin memory with Ryzen. You need a 10900K and a Z490, and now Z590's out. But yeah, look at the final product. Looks really nice, right? Thanks for watching. Peace.